What about you? Robbie from Premier Lawns. Today we're going to be doing some hedge cutting, so stick around. What about you, and welcome back. Today I'm cutting these overgrown hedges. Now I did cut these this time last year. Daniel, just to show you here, different bushes. The customer wants this just taken back. The customer just wants this taken back to the curb. So this here, I believe it's 20 aster in the oak. We're just going to trim this back. So whenever you're trimming, come on down to the 20 aster here. So again, we're just looking to go into about here. We're just keeping a nice line the whole way down. So that's an ash tree, so we want to take that away. That's just seated there itself. Right, Daniel, so just come down, and if you just come down and you can see the line of that. So take the line of that off and take all those brambles off. So go ahead there. And then use the hedge cutter to take that off. So that you want to face this here, right? So remember, you want to go back to the curb there, right? Well, you want to just sort of take this back to remember the old growth, so there you can see the light green and then the dark green. So. Welcome back. So Daniel's just tidying up here with a few bits and pieces left to cut. This big tree here. This big tree here to cut, and then a couple of branches on up. Tidy. So this is a tool I don't think has featured in my channel. I don't use this probably as much as I should, but I bought this last year. I bought this yoke last year. One of the reasons I don't use it is because it's so big. It just about fits in the van. The Stihl HTA 85s. Big long reach saw, but I say some job. But it's hard to get into the van a lot of time. If the van's full of stuff, we'll have to take the blade off to get it in. Not 100% ideal, but there we go. There you go, the Stihl HTA 85s. Now, this does actually extend out. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. It really helps me out if you can smash that like button down below. At the end of this video, I'm going to put on a couple of videos that I think you'll like, so make sure you check one of those out whenever this video finishes. I am very busy at the minute, and I do plan to do some lawn care videos, but I also have quite a bit of footage recorded from hedge cutting. So if you want to see more hedge cutting videos, or if you'd prefer to see lawn care, let me know in the comments below.